Did you know that when water in our lakes and oceans becomes polluted, the effects can be far-reaching? It can endanger wildlife, make our drinking water unsafe, and threaten the waters where we swim and fish. The water you use for daily activities cycles through a watershed. What is a watershed, you ask? Well, it's an area of land from which all the water you use drains into the same location, such as a stream, pond, lake, river, wetland, or ocean. Pollutants accumulate in watersheds as a result of various natural events and human activities. These pollutants, while sometimes inevitable, can drastically alter the state of the ecosystem. If we can determine the type of pollutant and its cause, then we can identify or classify the source of the pollutant and take preventative measures to reduce any further contamination.
Due to the oil slicks and the waste that sat on top of the river, between the years of 1868 and 1969, the Cuyahoga River caught fire 12 times, a record for any river fire in the United States. The pollution of the Cuyahoga River was finally brought to the government's attention after the fire of 1969. On June 22, 1969, around noon, sparks from a passing train ignited a foot to a foot and a half of oil and other waste material floating on top of the water. This resulted in the famous Cuyahoga River Fire of 1969.
Well, it's a great thing that my students have been learning how to trace contaminants in a watershed. Students become civil engineers in this challenge. At this point, students should be comfortable identifying the source of a contaminant. Now, they must clean the water. They will design a water filter within the mayor's defined budget and test their prototypes for effectiveness. The group that produces the most effective model within the constraints will be hired.